Are you looking for a deeper connection to your soul? One that you can count on no matter what's going on with your family, your pets, your kids, when they all hop right into the middle of your head? What do you do to find that quiet place on the inside where you trust and you know your own soul's best next step? Hi, I'm Michelle Renee, intuitive and meditation expert for children and families. And I have been working with children and families all over the world. I've taught over 800 children in the past 2 years alone. And one of the things that I really want to share with you today is, as a mom, how to find that centered place within when everything's gone a little bit chaotic. So give yourself a couple of minutes now, or pause and come back to the video later so that you can do this just short 2-minute meditation where you begin to own that place right in the center of your head where you have your own information, your home base. And you get to find that calm on the inside of your body. So we're going to be in present time, just like Miss Puppy back there. I swear, when you're on stage and a dog comes on or a baby comes on, just forget about it, right? Because animals and our kids are always in present time. But as adults, we definitely get stuck in our analyzer and we're thinking about the future or worrying about the past. So let's take a minute in our meditation where we can really focus within ourselves right now. Close your eyes. Give yourself a connection between your body and the earth. However you want to see that, as a color of light, a tree trunk. Just begin to get that sense of melting within yourself. And then imagine right out in front of your body, just use an image of a rose as a container for your female energy. Now, your female energy is the extra energy that we have on a body level for natally born women. When we are going to create children, we use it. It's that extra transmedium energy that our bodies have. So go ahead and imagine just that simple image of a rose as a container for your female energy. It sits right out in front of you. Give it its own connection right into the earth. And just notice the quality of that energy. Is it dispersed? Is it grounded? Is it heavy? Does it feel good? And you're just going to take a minute to imagine all of your female energy, wherever it is outside of you, that it's really coming right back in and filling up that rose. So it's nice and bountiful and just full of you. So call all of your female energy back into that rose. And then take a nice deep breath and open your eyes. So this meditation you can do whenever you want throughout the day. Take a minute to give yourself a grounding and then really come back and release from your female energy, calling your attention back in on a female body level. It is amazing what happens where you start to get that clarity within your own head, because everybody comes out of it and you get your own space again, which is what really matters. So I'd love to share some information with you today about clairvoyant readings. I'm having a special this next week. You get $100 off an hour reading if you book next week and have your session next week. So go ahead and PM me your email address and I will send you the discount code for a reading. And I look forward to your spiritual journey and sharing the information and the wealth of support that I have when I get to witness you on your path.